Rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Proctors.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Ms. Proctor, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
My husband is extremely supportive of the children and me, and
Your husband? Are you guys
my
currently married?
my ex-husband.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I would like to reduce the amount that he has to pay because he's paying more than he should. He takes care of the children's everything we need. He provides very well for us, and I have my own job, and so it would really make me happy, Your Honor, if you could reduce the agreement that we have from $1,426.56 a month to $415 a month, please.
Is that what you all agreed to? The $415?
Okay, how do you know Noam? His secretary kind of told me his secretary told you. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to one of the most intense child support battles you'll ever witness. Today we have Miss Wilson fighting for an increase in support, and Mr. Wilson, well, let's just say he's not exactly thrilled, but here's where it gets juicy. A secret income boost, a talkative secretary, and a judge who does not have time for nonsense. Stick around because this courtroom showdown is full of unexpected twists, tense moments, and a verdict that might just leave you speechless. Let's dive in. Interview to boy. Here we go. The $1,000,000 question, or should we say the $3 million question. Miss Wilson isn't just asking for more support on a whim. She's got receipts, and thanks to a little slip up from Mr. Wilson's secretary, she's about to make her case. But the real drama, Mr. Wilson's reaction. Watch closely, folks. This is where things...
I don't know. He would have all of the numbers for whatever he says. I will agree with.
Okay, that is pretty generous to be covering the extracurricular activities. Is there anything else that he pays for?
Anything that they need, he takes care of.
Okay, and what are the ages of the children?
1.5. I was pregnant when we got divorced. We have a 4-year-old, a 6-year-old, and a 10-year-old.
Okay. All right, that's a nice little spread you all have there. Sounds like the Brady Bunch. Okay, so is there anything else you need me to know before I move over to him?
No, ma'am.
Okay, and sir, will you agree to everything that she's been saying, that that's you all's agreement?
It is. We didn't have a court-ordered thing. It was just something that we came up with.
Okay, so you're paying right now, you're giving her $415 a month for the children.
Correct.
All right, and you're covering all extra.
Mr. Wilson, numbers don't lie, but people sure do try. Mr. Wilson claimed to make $83,000, but his tax return tells a different story. And trust me, folks, when you step into a courtroom, your documents better match your words or prepare to get called out. The judge is doing some quick math and he's not looking good for Mr. Wilson. Will he finally admit the truth? Let's see. I make about 80, I bring home about $80,000.
Let's pause for a second. This woman just said she doesn't even know how much the father is paying for health insurance, but she's fully agreeing with whatever he says. That's already raising a few red flags. And let's talk about the fact that he's covering all extracurricular activities. That's a big financial load, especially with 4 kids. So, is this truly a fair request, or is there more to the story? Let me know what you think in the comments.
And I'm pretty sure in a lot of child support courtrooms around Texas, okay? So that is good you all came to that. How much is health insurance?
It's $289 a month.
$289 a month. Okay, so you said you all did, this is not a court order, so this is the first time that there will be an order in place.
Correct.
So just so the court understands, make sure that you understand your child support in terms of what you were paying. I believe you said the number was $1,400.
Mr. Wilson is trying to play detective, bringing up Instagram posts as evidence, but here's the deal: child support isn't about Miss Wilson's vacation habits, it's about their kids, and judging by the judge's reaction, she's about to shut this argument down faster than you can say irrelevant. Can you do THA?
But he's really mean, and if I don't agree to it...
Wait. So this couple actually came to an agreement without a court order. If you've ever watched a child support case before, you know that never happens. Usually, it's a battle over every penny. But here's the real kicker. This is the first time this arrangement is being made official. So is she really just being considerate, or could she be setting something up? Keep watching, because this situation is getting interesting.
I object, Your Honor. I'm not doing
What's
anything.
your legal objection?
I'm on the grounds that it may incriminate me.
Okay.
He has, I can prove that he makes at least $4.7 million a year. I have all the account information here provided to me by his bookie. He laundries money, and I would just like to take whatever money you want to give us that's going to make him happy and give us a protective order. The children have already gone to a safe place, and I'm going to leave as soon as I get here so he can't hurt us anymore, please.
Okay.
She's crazy, Your Honor. She's crazy.
I'm crazy. Yeah. That's okay. I'm crazy. I'll just agree
So
to
you're
this.
agreeing that you're crazy?
Absolutely. Whatever he says, I'll agree to.
Okay, so what I'll do, because you all have been doing this, is go ahead and adopt the agreement between the two of you based on the
Can you maybe
documentation I have.
make sure there's
Hold up. Did she just say he makes $4.7 million and launders money? And she's got proof from his bookkeepers. Oh, and now she suddenly doesn't feel safe. This is a complete 180. She was just happily reducing payments, and now she's practically begging the judge for protection. If this is true, we're talking about major legal trouble. But if it's false,
I guess you all dismissed thank you boom there it is 23,350 in monthly support. The judge is crystal clear, the law doesn't care about personal e-drama, only about what's fair for the kids, and let's be honest, Mr. Wilson's face says it all. He did not see that coming, but hey, when you try to play games in court you better be ready to lose, and that, folks, is how the court decides child support, from secret incomes to Instagram arguments. This case had it all. What do you think? Was this ruling fair, or do you think Mr. Wilson got the short end of the stick? Let us know in the comments, and if you love these intense courtroom breakdowns, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cases that will leave you speechless. See you in the next one.
Call 911 and maybe speak to some police officers or whatnot. Sir, I don't know what you're doing to this woman. However,
I'm not doing
unfortunately, I'm not saying that you are, but based on what she said.
he
As
has
far as my
he has
job
everybody
goes.
on the books. I have the proof. I can give it to you.
No, ma'am.
There's
You know what?
receipts.
I don't
I
even
have
wanna be
access to
incriminated
all
in
of
that.
his accounts.
No, thanks. So what I'm going to do is adopt the agreement.
not the can we get life insurance in case he kills me moment. Even the judge is like, Mom, this is not that kind of courtroom. If she's genuinely afraid, this is not the way to handle it. Protective orders don't come from child support court, and throwing out criminal accusations mid-hearing without proper evidence, that's messy. But if she's telling the truth,